Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making the job safe and accessible. Park the car level, set the parking brake, remove the key, and disconnect the negative battery terminal. Wait about 2 minutes so the ECU fully powers down. Next, remove the center console trim around the switch using a trim pry. Be gentle to avoid clips. Once the trim is loose, unclip the plastic panel and expose the start/stop switch assembly. This gets you immediately to the component Now you access the switch itself. Remove the Torx screws securing the housing and set them aside so you don't lose track. Once the housing is free, press the connector's locking tab and pull the plug straight out. Inspect the pins for dirt or corrosion and clean if needed. Then press the old switch out and insert the new unit, making sure it seats evenly. Reconnect the electrical plug until you hear a click, because a secure connection prevents intermittent failures. Once the new switch is in, you reassemble in reverse order and then verify operation. Reinstall the housing and trim panels, ensuring clips align and no gaps remain, then reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start the car to test the button's functions: ignition on, engine stop/start, and accessory modes. If a warning light or fault appears, make sure the connector is seated and battery was reconnected. If errors persist, read codes with an OBDROM 2.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.